Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say corkscrew. What is the translation of corkscrew in French? How do you go about pronouncing this word? In French, in France, we say it as tire, tire, which means to pull, Bouchon, which means cork, tire-bouchon. Tire-bouchon, tire-bouchon, but it'd be fine in English to say it as tire-bouchon. Tire-bouchon, from French tire-bouchon. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words from French whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.